A repair stall in a crowded market watched a curious teenager adapt discarded gadgets into a simple robot that taught kids counting. The idea grew when teachers asked for more durable, affordable kits that could survive rural classrooms. A small team built a modular system powered by open-source software and local partnerships, turning repairs into hands-on learning. Investors noticed the social impact, and a pilot program expanded to schools across 3 continents. Today, the company shapes classrooms worldwide with affordable, inspiring robotics education.